Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some of the parts that are coming from my truck, which will be installed here hopefully by April. And to start out, we're going to show you what I got from PPE, which stands for Pacific Performance Engineering. They're one of the Duramax specialist aftermarket companies. This is the part number 128051000, and it is a heavy-duty deep oil pan for my Allison 1000 transmission. They come in raw or black. I got it in raw because I figured down the road if I ever build the motor I want to powder coat it, and so I want to powder coat the pan too. The reason I did it was because I need to do a fluid change and a filter change, and I might as well put on a deeper pan with more fluid. It's got cooling fins in it. It's aluminum. It's supposed to cool better. I've read online as much as 15 or 20 degrees from individual customers reviewing it. And this comes with its own deep filter and its own integrated filter lock to keep it from dropping out of the suction hole on the bottom of the valve body. So we're going to open it up. See if I can do this with one hand here. I've got about 18,000, 19,000 almost miles on my built transmission from Mike L. over at Inglewood Transmission in Southern California. He's located not too far from Disneyland. He is the guru, the guy that knows pretty much everything there is to know about Allison. And so he built my trans when I smoked the converter at 25,000 miles last year. And he recommended running Dex 3. He recommended changing it every 25,000. With the double drain and fill, and he recommended doing a spin-on filter change every 15,000. You shouldn't need to replace the interior filter, which is this one here, unless you do another rebuild. So once it's on, I shouldn't have to drop it again. Now this comes with a PPE sticker, which I will be putting on my refrigerator, and it's got a little install manual. They say that you can reuse the gasket that's on there right now, but I just for being safe, I guess I ordered another one, which isn't here yet. I also ordered 6 gallons of fluid because this holds, I think I said 4 quarts over stock. He said you get about 7 quarts in a stock pan, so this should be about 11. So 22 on a double drain and fill plus the filter, 23. So that's 24. That should be about about 6 gallons, almost 6 gallons. So got 6 gallons of Dex Mercon fluid coming. Should be here in about a week, as well as a new gasket. And until then, it's going to be sitting in the box. But I wanted to give you guys just a view of it, show you what it looks like. So again, it is raw. They do offer black, and it has a, well, look, it has 2 National Pipe Thread plugs in it. I don't know what those are for. Maybe they're for temp sensors. It's got a drain plug on it with a magnet, PPE in the bottom, cooling fins on the outside, cooling fins on the inside, which not only cool, but I think they help baffle the fluid so it's not flopping around in there. And then of course the deep filter as well. So overall, let's see if I can get it. Overall, I would say it's much beefier than the stock pan, and it's got this thick flange on here. That's about a 1/2 inch flange. It's got a nice texture to it. Truck is lifted, so it shouldn't stick down too far below the frame, but it might just a little bit, and that's okay. I don't suspect I'm gonna hit anything. But overall, it seems like a really good deal. It was $269 on Amazon with free shipping, no tax. And it came directly from PPE in California. If you buy it from their website, I think it was $329. So I saved about 60 bucks. I actually talked to Mike before I ordered it, and he said I didn't need it. But if I wanted it, I could get it, I guess. So I got it, and we'll get it put on here next week, and I'll film that when the rest of that stuff shows up. Here we go. This completes the unboxing. We got the sticker on the fridge. Repping for Pacific Performance Engineering. Fox, King so far. And when everything else shows up, I hope they give me stickers to put on here. And then you can see all my other magnets, which may have to come off if we get enough stickers. But we got plenty of real estate. Plenty of real estate. Plenty of room for more parts. Thanks for watching.